Hello, this is Henry. This is my second video on Alice game. This is about a zombie game. The first one was a little bit of explanation on the zombie game, how it works, and how just a little bit of explanation with how the code react with the game. On this one, I'm gonna show you the real world of the game. First of all, you go to search, you click on Alice. It's gonna come up with an error message, but don't give up. Just click on Alice again, enter. Oh yeah, this is the motive. Now you click on cancel. You go to OK. You go to open. You go to open world. You go to my music. This game, you go to wait. Now the game loads up. You open down the screen now. As I said, I'll give you a little bit of documentation on the events and how the mouse works with the game and stuff. Because without the mouse, if you don't set the mouse to have a reaction between the actual screen and the object, if you click on the mouse, nothing will work out because it is not set and there's no code being set on it. And this is the code that you set between the mouse or the game or the zombies. Maybe you want it to do together, else leave the loop or while, or doing other. This is the kind of codes you drag in. Now let's move on to the actual game. This is the actual game. As I said, if you want to go into the actual game, you click on play. As I was saying, this is the male and the female. You see the male representing the male, I see the female representing the female. Now since I'm a male, I'm gonna go with a male. And if you're a male, don't click on female because you are not a girl. And if you're a female, don't click on the male because you are not a boy or a man. This is the difficulties. This is the difficulties part. I've got the motive tonight. This is the easy and the medium and the hard. If you're a new player or a new user to this game, you haven't played it before, you haven't seen the game, how it works, I think you should go for easy stuff. So you just use the mouse. Art is being set with the game. You click on easy. Now you see, now the screen comes up. You're gonna see the screen now. You can zoom in, and now as I showed, this is the right left button on the game. You go down is for going up and stuff. So I'm gonna kill the zombie now. I've killed the zombie. Now the zombie is dead. You see, the game is working. Enter. Enter is for shooting. You see, now they are dead, and it says well done, and that is for the easy. So you can restart the game again, then you click on play. First one, I'll go for the female, and I'll go to medium. I'm going to show you how the game reacts. It's then you go back, you go shoot, you shoot the zombies. As I said, shoot the zombies again, you shoot the zombies again, and now since I'm shooting the zombies, I want to get killed, innit? So just go right to the zombie. It says game over because I'm being killed by the zombie, which it means the game is working fine. I've got game over on the screen, which if you move closer to the zombie, you're gonna get killed. So now you're gonna restart again. You go and play, and this is the I'm going for a male again. You go to there. I'm going to the harder options. You wait for the game to load up. Now here is it. I'm gonna use the enter to shoot. Now the zombie dies because I've shot the zombie. You can double shoot to be shooting more. It is well done. It means you've shoot all the zombies and stuff. Restart. I go to the male. I'm going to the female again. So I'm gonna choose on hard for the female as well. It means I'm getting used to the game, so I can go in the harder way. So I just wait for the game to load up. I'm shooting the zombies. Shooting the zombies. The enter is for shooting. Shooting the zombies. So it's game over. Shows my game is working, and yeah, this is a little preview on my game. How to use the keyboard. The space bar is for shooting. The up down is for moving towards the player, the zombie, or going left or right. So there's a little bit of show on my zombie. So thank you once again. If you want to close the game, you go on close, or if you want to do a new game, you go on new world, you go grass or dirt or anything. So I'll choose grass. I'll go open, which means I'm gonna use a new game and stuff. So if you want to go to a new game, you click on add object. For example, I'm just showing you what you're gonna use. You can go to spooky. Spooky is me adding a zombie. So if you add a zombie, as I said, this is a zombie. And this is a ground. The zombie is set the zombie's body. Which way you want it to work. This apple you can make. I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I was explaining. For example, I want the left arm to move do it together, then maybe I'm doing anything. I'm just showing a little preview. They just a sound, play sounds, then maybe neck for entire world. I'm just showing you. Just you see, what's that? It comes with a sound, anything that you want. I'm just showing you how the thing should work. So this is the right arm. On the right arm to move, I'm just showing a little anything to the ground. You see? Maybe right arm to the camera. Maybe you want the head. Do anything. Entire ground. Just show you how maybe you want a gun. Maybe you want to see the leg. The zombie leg, right leg to move to. I'm just showing you any little preview on the game. Use the lower leg that you can set on anything. You can add an object. you can let's say you can add a smoke. You want the smoke to you want the smoke to you want the smoke to set to post bubble grain. So you play changing the color or the smoke. You can change the color to black or orange or the smoke. You can vary it to the camera or you can vary it to the ground. To the ground, anything that you want. That is a little preview on how to add things. You can add that one. It's like a thunder. You can add a thunder, a little thunder. An actual game. You click on done, then you set anything that you want to do. Lighten, maybe you want the lightning to the method, turn direction to maybe revolution, you see, or you want it to camera get the good look of this, you see. It depends. Anything you wanna do, redirection. Anything you wanna do with the game. So it depends on you how you wanna do your game and stuff. So this is a little preview on adding objects and stuff on your game. Just a little play around that date. There you can just drag it in. Maybe you want the loop to do this maybe one time, then maybe you drag the codes in, drag it in, stand up, entire crowd, anything that you want it to do. Also when you set up, you have to keep on doing it so it works. When the word starts, maybe first method, you click on what you want it to do. Maybe smoke and recycle to smoke. Then maybe first method you recycle to smoke. Like you setting that the smoke to do whatever it wants to do and stuff. Or you can create a new. When the word starts, you click on this, then it should do nothing. My first method do this or do that. Like using the mouse to set. Or you can go to mouse click. You can set the mouse when you click on the mouse, it should click on this. Or when you do this, the zombie should move the zombie's body to upper level. On anything that you want, you can just set up depending on what you want to do and stuff. So actually, it's your choice on what you want to do and stuff. So yeah, that's a little preview on how Alice is done. So thank you. So if you want to close the program, you just close it. You want to save it, yes or no? So I click on no.